Imagine waking up with legs so swollen and heavy that standing feels like lifting concrete. Every step is slow, every night restless with nagging aches. For Margaret, 72, this was her reality, until one simple oil changed everything. In just 1 week, her legs felt lighter, pain faded, and she walked freely again, no pills, no doctor visits, just a bottle from her kitchen. If you're over 60 and tired of leg pain, swelling, or stiffness, this could be your answer. Stick with me to learn this natural secret, how to use it, and 3 powerful oil blends to amplify results. Drop your age and where you're watching from in the comments, and subscribe to Legacy of Lessons for practical, natural tips to feel vibrant. Let's uncover why your legs feel heavy and how to lighten them up. The hidden cause of heavy legs. Margaret didn't notice it at first. A dull ache after a short walk, puffy ankles by evening, cramps when bending down. By 72, getting out of her chair took effort she never imagined. She thought, this is just aging. But her body was signaling deeper issues: sluggish circulation, narrowed blood vessels starving her legs of oxygen, and fluid buildup from less efficient kidneys. Gravity pulled water to her ankles, making walking and balance harder. Muscle loss weakened her legs, raising fall risks. Her body didn't need a miracle, just support. And she found it in a forgotten bottle. Rosemary oil, nature's leg reviver. One Tuesday, while tidying her spice cabinet, Margaret found rosemary oil, bought years ago for sore muscles. That night, with aching legs, she massaged a few drops into her calves and thighs. The herbal scent calmed her, and a warm, comforting sensation woke her legs up. She slept cramp-free for the first time in weeks. Rosemary oil, rich in rosmarinic acid and antioxidants, boosts blood flow, reduces inflammation, and eases muscle tension. Used by ancient Greeks for tired legs, it's a time-tested remedy. Here's how to use it for results. How to use rosemary oil. Apply after a warm shower when skin is receptive, or ensure legs are clean and dry. Warm 5 to 6 drops in your palms, breathe in the earthy scent, and massage gently from ankles upward in slow circles. Spend 5 to 7 minutes per leg, using firm, loving strokes, especially on thighs. Sync with deep breaths for a meditative ritual. Do this twice daily, morning to energize, night to release tension. Elevate legs on pillows for 15 minutes post-massage to boost circulation. For sore days, lay a warm towel over legs after. In 7 days, you'll feel a shift. What to expect in 1 week. Day 1, the ritual feels calming, emotionally lifting. Day 2, legs feel less stiff, nighttime cramps ease. Day 3, steps feel smoother, less shuffling. Day 4, skin looks healthier, less dry, more alive. Days 5 to 6, confidence grows, you walk taller, climb stairs easier. Day 7, legs feel like yours again, not a burden. Margaret's legs transformed, and yours can too. Consistency is key. 3 powerful oil blends. Rosemary is amazing, but other oils can target specific needs. Arnica oil, perfect for bruising, tenderness, or swelling from standing. Helen, 75, a market vendor, saw soreness vanish in days. Lavender oil, calms muscles and nerves for better sleep, easing leg discomfort. Keep it bedside for restless nights. Horse chestnut oil, strengthens blood vessels, reduces heaviness, and helps with visible veins or ankle swelling. Blend a few drops with a carrier like almond oil, or alternate based on your leg's needs. Listen to your body, it knows. 10-minute walks, gentle morning strolls pump circulation, enhancing oil benefits. Easy exercises, toe raises by the counter, leg stretches in a chair, and ankle circles, 5 minutes daily strengthens legs.